Your swing is late. Oh, throw it again.
You always say that.
Because you always talk. Better. Not good enough. Move back. Too close to the houses.
Scared. No.
Relax.
You threw it. My dad cannot know. Please. Say it was you, just for now. That is not fair. I will fix it later. Please, Evan.
Mr. Harlan reported that a child threw a baseball at his glass door. Was that you?
I said I was sorry.
Then you show up.
You are late.
It is 7.
I said early.
Yes, sir.
Do not touch that.
I was not.
Then do not look at it.
Yes, sir.
You broke more than glass.
I know.
Be careful of the broken pieces. Friend of yours.
Used to be. I can do it.
No.
I can hold it. He played.
My son, Daniel. He was 15 there.
He was good.
He was better than good.
He died before he turned 20.
How did he swing?
Like he was not afraid of missing.
That yours.
My dad's.
So he must have played before. Show me.
I thought you hated baseball.
I hate bad baseball. Your feet are lying.
What?
You want to hit, but your feet want to run. Stay.
You missed practice.
I had to work.
Everyone has something.
Yes, sir. Evan! Evan, wait! I was going to tell them. When? I do not know. That is a long time. My dad was there yesterday. If he finds out, I am done. I am already done. You let him point at me. I froze. You stayed frozen.
I am sorry. Say it there. I cannot.
Again. You are swinging at him.
He lied. He watched them blame me.
Pick up the bat. You want justice or you want noise?
I want him to say it.
Then make him need to. You do not chase truth. You stand where it has to pass you.
You were a coach.
Long time ago.
Why did you stop?
Daniel died. After that, every field sounded wrong.
What is that?
Porch camera. Old but stubborn.
It still works.
Sometimes. It saw the ball.
You knew.
I knew the throw was wrong.
You let me take it.
I let you show me who you were.
That is not fair.
No.
I did not throw it.
I know.
Then why?
Because the other boy already ran, even while standing still. You can use it.
Now.
If you want.
Not yet.
You are not on the list.
I know.
Then why are you here?
Because I asked.
Coach Harlan.
Well, this is a surprise. It usually is.
I did not know you were still around.
I was around enough. One swing.
My glove. Check his bag. He hates me.
If there is nothing to hide, open it. Open the bag. That says enough.
No.
It says you are all very easy to lead.
Excuse me. You lost a glove.
Yes.
Like you lost a ball.
Coach, what is this?
Oh. The window.
That does not prove intent. It proves the throw. And what about the glove? Milo, I didn't mean to. Of what?
You.
I was gonna tell them. No. I am sorry. You let them look at me.
Milo, you are off the tryout.
No. Your turn.
For what?
You missed practice,
Yes, sir.
but you showed up today. Practice starts Monday.
Open it.
I cannot take this.
Yes, you can.
It was Daniel's.
He would hate seeing it in a closet. He swung too early when he was mad.
I do that.
I know.
Can we talk? I was scared.
I know.
Are we done?
I do not know.
Looks different.
I fixed your window.
No.
So what did I do?
You opened it.
Take your time. That was the swing.
You swung late.
I won.
I know. Daniel would have said the same thing.